Navratna School, Sama, has made history by hosting Momentum 2025, Vadodara's first ever sports conference. The two-day event, being held on the 10th and 11th of October, brings together over 250 sports educators, administrators, aspiring athletes, and sports lovers under one roof. The conference was inaugurated this morning by Chief Guest Dr. Hemang Joshi, Honourable Member of Parliament from Vadodara, along with the Guest of Honour Arun Mahesh Babu, IAS, Municipal Commissioner of Vadodara Municipal Corporation. The event also witnessed the presence of several eminent personalities from the world of sports, including Anju Bobby George, Vice President of the Athletics Federation of India and keynote speaker Arjuna awardee and former Indian hockey captain Viren Raskina, and renowned sports medicine expert Dr. Ali Irani. The theme of Momentum 2025 reflects Navratna's belief in holistic education, highlighting the importance of sports in shaping young minds, promoting wellness, and building resilience. Through inspiring talks, expert panels, and hands on workshops on fitness, nutrition, injury prevention, and mental well being, the conference aims to empower sports teachers and nurture the next generation of champions. With this initiative, Navratna School takes a powerful step forward in strengthening the sports culture in education and creating lasting opportunities for students.
I'm very happy that Navratna Higher Secondary School, Vadodara, has hosted the first of its kind sports conference in our city. With 120 delegates from different cities of Gujarat and sports students from different schools have participated in this two-day conference. The inaugural session, which had our celebrated Olympians, Dr. Anju Bobby George and Mr. Viren Requina. With him were Dr. Ali Irani and our MP, Dr. Hemang Bhai Joshi, who himself is supporting and promoting sports in a big way, and our Municipal Commissioner, Mr. Arun Babu, who himself is a sports person representing India on the national equestrian team, has inspired the audience and the delegates with their views and the plans of the government in promoting sports through Khelo in Bharat and other schemes, other laws that have been enacted. And we can see that Vadodara, which was a sporting city during the Gaikwad regime, has the potential to get back that status. We all need to come together in one voice to put in our efforts, right from grassroots level, parents sending their children or encouraging their children to play more sports, getting better coaches, better infrastructure, which we are told by the municipal commissioner is already happening, and all of us giving sports the importance that we give to academics and other activities in our life. Sports trains us for life. It builds the right spirit and the right resilience that is needed in order to lead a happy and successful life. So please, my appeal to all parents would be that encourage your children to play. Those who are already playing, let them continue playing even when they come to their higher classes. It is sports or the time that they spend playing their sport which will also help in better academic performance. So my appeal to all is to let us all come together as a city and create the atmosphere, the infrastructure and the voice such that when international games come to Gujarat, like the Commonwealth Games or maybe the Olympics in 2036, Vadodara also becomes an important center of hosting some of the games. With Vadodara Marathon, I feel that the international marathon, which is part of all these games, should be held in Vadodara, and we will definitely prepare ourselves for this. So let us all come together, and my congratulations to Navratna School and our principal Suprabha Memnon for organizing this event on the scale, and the participants for coming and making this event successful.
So, Navratna School Sama had long dreamt of hosting a sports conference here with the aim of bringing sports persons together to share ideas and also to help them connect with achievers. So that becomes a motivation for them. Now, I myself am very passionate about sports, having been an athlete in school. And I have a team, luckily, which is also very, very enthusiastic about sports. And we have an inspiration in Tejal Amin ma'am, who is very, very keen on promoting sports. So in Navrachna, sports is not a co-curricular activity, but it is a part of the curriculum. Now, with that in mind, we decided to do this two-day event where we invited schools from different cities of Gujarat to participate. And we have around more than 120 schools from different parts of Gujarat, including Vadodara, Ahmedabad, Bhavnagar, Jamnagar, who have come here to participate in this two-day conference. What we are very happy about is that there are schools that think like us, who feel that sports is very important, and then that's how they have chosen to send their teachers over here to participate. We are also very lucky that at the very beginning, when we were planning our conference, we got a lot of support from Shri Kiran More in helping us connect with various sport personalities, people related to different area of sports, not only athletes. Then we had the good fortune of having Anju Bobby George with us. She is a very, very busy person, as we all know, but then she took out time to come here and be with students. And she was very particular that she wanted to interact with students. So that is how we had students also attending this session. Then the other personalities that we had are all dedicated to sports. Even after their sporting career is over, they're still working in the area of sport. So all of them were very enthusiastic. They loved the idea. They loved the idea that a school is conducting a conference at this level. And that is how the whole thing came about. And we're very lucky that it got off to a very, very grand start today. We also had the blessings of the Member of Parliament from Vadodara, Dr. Himang Joshi, and the Vadodara Municipal Commissioner, Mr. Arun Mahesh Babu. So all in all, we are very happy that we took up this and we have launched it in such a grand way.
I would like to congratulate and thank Navrashna School Sama and Tejal Amin Madam for organizing this first of its kind national conference, Momentum 2025. When our Prime Minister Honorable Narendra Bhai Modi ji has initiated the momentum for sports throughout the country by introducing Khelo Bharat Niti and National Sports Governance Bill in Parliament, I believe such conferences will percolate the message down the line and it will really add value to the sports ecosystem of Vadodara and Gujarat.
It's been a pleasure to be here at the Navrachna School on the occasion of the National Sports Conclave. It is one of its kind and first of its kind initiative. We appreciate the initiatives of Navrachna School administration and the group that Vadodara, which badly deserves a sports reignition, is getting back to track. And wonderful to see all the audience and especially have Padma Shri and Arjuna awardees like Anju Bobby George, the Indian hockey captain, and Mr. Irani, the Member of Parliament Himang Joshi, and all to be here. It's been a pleasure to be with all this amongst this wonderful gathering. I wish that Vadodara regains its glory of being a sports city. Vadodara Corporation is also coming up with a load of adding sports infrastructure to the city. We hope a culture of sports gets started wherein everybody is able to use those facilities and we are able to create new talent for the future and for the future of the city and for the glory of sports. Thank you so much.
Very happy to be here at Navrachna School. It's such a delight to see Vadodara and Navrachna School promoting sports so much and having a sports conference of PE teachers. So really happy to be here. I think developing the culture of sport is very important.
So today I'm here in Navrachna School in Baroda. See the changes what they are trying to create in the system, in sports ecosystem. Extremely proud to see that, and I am extremely proud to be a part of that. The school is trying to bring from outside knowledge, those who did or perform well in their life or their sport, They are bringing everything together in this school. They are discussing about how we can improve the sports ecosystem, because this state is trying to host Olympics, and we need to change from grassroots level. We are always talking about grassroots development. This is what we are actually dreaming, and this is what the school is trying to do. And as I said, I am extremely proud to be a part. From the young minds, from school kids, the changes have to come. They are the ones, those who are going to perform when we host next Olympics, that is next Olympics in India. So this is the right place, right time to start the change, and they are rightly doing that. I'm extremely happy to see that, and thank you very much for making me here.